How much does an electrician make in Grenada? The average electrician income in Grenada is around $10,200 a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, you take home $9,200. That brings home an average electrician pay of roughly $767 each month. While that is the country average, wages in St. George's are higher, where the electrician salary in Grenada reaches $10,800 after tax. That city pay sounds much better, but living outside St. George's is cheaper, so lower local electrician wages often stretch just as far. On top of that location difference, experience also drives your pay up. Beginner electrician income starts below the main average, but it goes up quickly in your first few years before it plateaus. To break past that wall, you need more education. Having a formal degree is not always required locally, but getting certified helps you move into higher paying positions like electrical supervisor or site project manager. The same is true of specialization, because learning high voltage systems or commercial wiring adds up to even better money over time.